Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, ladies and gentlemen on the internet. Denver Beer and Oil, coming back live after a hiatus. I'm pretty excited to tell you guys about the next series we're doing. It's going to be, pardon my French, fucking excellent, and I'm really excited. Did I say I'm excited? Anyway, so this is my 1987 BMW E30 truck. It is a raging pile of crap, and I got it for free. My friend got hit in it, and I was drinking beer, so I decided the best thing to do would be to chain it to a pole, pull the dents out, and then cut the roof off of it. So that's what I did. And I was going to scrap it until I figured out there was way better things to do with it, which I'm about to explain to you right now. So, if you'll follow me to this side, you'll notice there's some silliness going on here. So this silliness is the start of what I like to call my 50 state wide body kit. And it's going to be on all four corners. This car is also going to be receiving some parts that it most definitely does not deserve. So if you'll follow me around this even bigger mess of engines and such. Well, so first off, as far as aesthetics go, I have a fabricator buddy who owes me a favor, and he's going to fabricate a proper roll bar, cross brace, tie it into the wheel arches here. He's going to make bed caps for the side. This is all going to be properly flat and everything. So this car is actually going to be quite legitimate as far as structural integrity, which is going to be very critical for the next step, which is over here. Some of you may recognize this gem. This right here is an all aluminum LS1, well, L33 technically. It's an all aluminum 5.3 liter V8 that came in, I think, like the Envoy and some other early 2000s SUVs. It's fairly rare, it's pretty cool, it's pretty light. It's actually, I think, lighter than the M20, which is super cool. So it's gonna be lighter and it's gonna have way more power. So I've got that. I've got a bunch of cool parts for it. I may throw some ITBs at it, I'm not sure, but I also have an LS6 intake, some cool brackets, a full Sicky kit, lots and lots of parts that this definitely doesn't deserve. And it's also going to be backed up by this gem right here, which is a T56 that has been completely rebuilt head to toe. It was originally out of a C5 Corvette, but it was fully converted to an F-body architecture, with the bell housing and the tail shafts and everything. So pretty cool. It's got a B&M shifter on it. And then I have a single mass flywheel and clutch that will be going in it out of a Cadillac CTS-V. So, see, that's not it. Actually, we're also going to be doing something pretty cool that I hope works, which is we're going to be taking the entire rear subframe out of an E24 and putting it into this. So it has a wider track, so it's going to put the wheels out a little bit further, and it is also able to bolt a large case diff in, which I have. I have actually an M6 limited slip diff. It's a 346, which ought to be pretty money for this. So it's going to have E28 rear subframe, M6 limited slip, 346 diff. It's going to have the T56, the LS1, full cage. And I've got a couple other tricks up my sleeve that we're going to do that you guys will really enjoy. But this is the teaser for what's coming, and the build starts officially tomorrow, which is when I'm going to be starting on the rest of the wide body. Then we're going to be pulling all the subframes out, pulling the engine out, and beating the shit out of it with a hammer to get the clearance for the transmission. So it's going to be a lot of fun. I think you guys will really enjoy this. And my buddy Matt's going to fly out from Texas, and we're going to send this thing sideways as fast as we possibly can and make as much tire smoke as we can and kill as many tires as we can, which is, well, a lot. So anyway, that's going to be this build. Stay tuned and we'll get into it.